Hi, I'm Francisco from Portugal. Welcome to my vlog. Today I will tell you all about the weirdest unboxing. I have just received my new Turkish iPhone. I needed to buy it in Turkey because my previous iPhone was blocked in all Turkish GSM operators. But you can find out all about that story on my previous video. It was an adventure, but to my astonishment, the unboxing was made by the retailer. So the clerk informed me that they needed to check all the box contents before delivering the iPhone to me. I wouldn't receive the phone if I wouldn't sign a paper stating that the phone was working correctly. I hope that now I can deliver interesting videos for you. My channel is all about random life events like this one. I'm very happy to share my experiences with you as I go through my everyday life. I have just started my YouTube channel, this one. I would appreciate your support. Subscribe and check my other videos.